Example number 1. Determine the tensile strength of a tie member ISA 150 into 75 into 10 mm connected to a gusset plate with 4 bolt of grade M18 which comes under property class 5.6. Pitch of the bolt is 60 mm and edge distance is 40 mm. Take length of the member is 2.5 meter. Also check for slenderness ratio of the member subjected to reversal of stresses. In this example, we have to determine the tensile strength of a tie member ISA 150 into 75 into 10 mm thickness. This is the ISA angle. This is 150 mm in length, 75 mm in width and 10 mm in thickness. And it is connected to gusset plate with 4 bolt. These are the 4 bolt, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt. Pitch of the bolt is 60 mm. Center to center distance between bolt. Pitch, that is called as pitch, that is 60 mm, 60 mm, and edge distance is 40 mm. On either side the edge distance is 40 mm, this one and this one. And they also given length of the member, that is 2.5 meter. The total length of the member is 2.5 meter. In this case we also check for slenderness ratio, lambda. From the steel table, we'll get the geometrical detail for ISA angle, ISA 150 into 75 into 10 mm. This is the gross area, 21.56 centimeter square. If you convert it into millimeter, 21.56 millimeter square. This is the centroidal distance or C value, 90 millimeter. This is called as C value. This is the procedure to calculate design strength of a tensile member. First we have to calculate yield strength TDG, then we have to calculate rupture strength TDN, then we have to calculate block shear TDB, out of which we have to select the least value. First we are going to calculate the yield strength of a tie member TDG. This is the formula AG into Fi by gamma M0 or MO. Cross section area of the angle is given, that is 2156, that will get it from steel table, and Fy yield strength, that is if it is not given we have to assume 250, and gamma MO, that is 1.10, that is available in table number 5 of IS 800 2007 code book. This is the final value, 490 kilonewton. As I told you, all the formula is given in page number 32 and 33 of IS 800 2007 code book. For yield strength or design strength due to yield strength, we have to refer clause number 6.2. These are the formula TDG AG into Fi into gamma M0. Okay, gamma MO, partial safety factor for failure in tension by yielding. Okay, that is given in table number 5. This is the table number 5. Okay, look at this one. Table number 5, partial safety factor for material. Here resistance governed by yielding. For yielding we have to refer serial number 1. Here the partial safety factor is given, that is 1.10. Gamma M0 is 1.10. In second step we have to calculate rupture strength of the material. Okay, for angle section we have to use this formula. For plate section we have to use this formula. Since in the question they have given angle section, we are using this formula, TDN equal to 0.9 ANC FU divided by gamma M1 plus beta into AGO into Fi divided by gamma MO. That is given in page number 33 IS code book, clause number 6.3.3. Here in this formula we cannot directly calculate TDN value. Before that we have to calculate all these values, ANC, FU, gamma M1, AGO, beta, Fi, gamma MO. Okay, let us start with this coefficient. First we have to calculate outstanding length. For that one we have to refer this figure. Okay, W outstanding length, that is 75 mm. This is 75 mm. Next, angle thickness, T equal to angle thickness, that is 10 mm. That is given in the steel table. Next we have to calculate BS, BS, shear lag. This is the formula, W plus WI minus T. W 75 millimeter plus WI that is equal to C, that is equal to 90 millimeter. C is 90 minus thickness of the angle 10. This is the value, shear lag value 155 millimeter. Next we have to calculate LC, distance between outermost bolt. That we can calculate by using this formula, 3 times pitch, 3 into 60, that is 180 millimeter. Next we have to calculate AGO, gross area of outstanding leg. We have to calculate gross area of this outstanding leg. This is the formula. B, this value is called as B. 75 minus T, thickness we know, that is 10 millimeter by 2 into 10, that will be 700 millimeter square. Next we have to calculate ANC, net area of connected leg. This is called as outstanding leg, this is called as connected leg. Okay. A, this length of the connected leg, that is 150 millimeter. Value of A is 150 millimeter. Next DO, dia of the bolt is 18 millimeter. DO is the dia plus hole clearance, that will be 2 millimeter. Okay, 18 plus 2 we will get 20 millimeter. This is called as a hole clearance. D plus hole clearance, 18 millimeter plus 2 millimeter, that will be 20 millimeter. D naught is 20 millimeter minus T by 2. T is 10 millimeter by 2 multiplied by T. The final value will be 1250 millimeter square. Now if we substitute all the values in this formula, we will get beta value, that is 1.4 minus 0.076, that is W, outstanding length divided by T, Fy, that is 250, Fu, this is the yield stress 250 millimeter, this is the ultimate stress Fu ultimate, that will be 410, and Bs, that is already calculated, that is 155 divided by LC. LC is 1 minute. LC is 180 millimeter, 180 millimeter, less than or equal to Fu, ultimate stress, into gamma MO for partial safety factor in yielding, that is 1.10 divided by Fy, yield stress 250 multiply gamma M1, that is partial safety factor for shop welding, that is 1.25, should not be greater than greater than equal to 0.7. If we calculate, we will get this value 1.10 less than or equal to 1.44, greater than or equal to 0.7. That means beta should be lies between these two values, 0.7 and 1.44. Okay, that is okay. That means beta value should be less than this formula and greater than or equal to 0.7. That means in other way we can say that it should be greater than 0.7 and less than this formula. Okay, that is 1.10. This is greater than 0.7 and less than 1.44. So beta is okay. Now finally, if we substitute in this formula, we will get the rupture strength of the angle, rupture strength value, TDN. Okay, if we substitute, this will be the final value, TDN 544.0 kilonewton, 544 kilonewton.